How to hide likes on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide likes on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to hide your likes on Facebook, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application. Now if you want to hide the likes from others or for others posts, it's actually quite simple. Just tap the three lines option located at the top right, which is the menu icon. Then after that, tap the gear icon, which is the settings icon. Once you see the settings and privacy page, scroll down and under preferences you'll find the option called reaction preferences. So make sure to tap on reaction preferences. So if you want to hide the number of likes from posts on others, you can just turn on this, or if you hide it on your own post, you can simply turn on this, which means that other people won't see the total number of reactions on their posts you share to your profile. So this is the way it works. If you turn these things on, no one else will be able to see the number of likes your post has. This way you'll be able to hide likes on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.